Blog, 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 blog. Everybody talks about how you should start a blog. Screw that. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money from the largest blogging platform in the world without actually blogging. I'm going to show you how you can get in front of 371 million people that use this platform without ever doing a blog post. Sounds miraculous, sounds crazy, but stay tuned. I'm going to show you on my computer how you can get that nice, sweet affiliate commission money sent straight to your bank account. Let's get it. Woo! So Tumblr money. So Tumblr is the biggest blog platform in the world. 371 million people use Tumblr, and I'm going to show you how to make money from it, anywhere from $100 to $500 per day without ever putting up a blog post. Now, if you're wondering, the methods that I'm going over, they work anywhere in the world. You can make this money anywhere in the world, no matter what country you're from. You can also get it no matter what age you are. You can be 14 years old and make money doing this. The way the money will get sent to you is either by a check, so you need an address for like the check to get sent to. Sorry if you live in some like weird village in like Cameroon or whatever, and they don't have addresses, you won't get money. Or you need a bank account and it'll be sent via wire. So once again, I'm gonna be showing you how to get in front of 371 million people right here. So let's go to my computer, and this method is pretty simple. Now, the first thing you need to understand about getting this money, you need to sell products. And what we're going to be doing, I'm not going to be talking about drop shipping or e-commerce. I'm not going to be talking about, consulting or starting an own social media agency, because all of those methods require you to do work or require you to buy products. What I'm going to be going over here is completely free. You don't have to buy any products. You don't have to buy any ads. You don't have to buy any software. You don't have to do any of that, okay? None of that. And it doesn't require you to have to do do any of the support work yourself, right? If you're selling on eBay, or if you're selling consulting, or if you're selling your agency services, you're gonna actually have to do work for people. You're gonna actually have to ship somebody something, or have an address for people to return it for you, or contact you for customer service. So none of that stuff is gonna be involved in what I'm gonna be teaching you about today. We're going over affiliate marketing. Now, I put a bunch of handy links in the description of affiliate networks you can join. You'll need to join an affiliate network to get product links, to get affiliate links to use this method. So that's the first requirement. So now there's a number of different affiliate platforms you can join, and I suggest you join them all. When I got started, I really shot myself in the foot because I only joined one affiliate network. I thought that was my life. But once I joined a lot of affiliate networks, I started understanding. So I suggest you join them all. I'm a member of like 25, actually probably more, like 50 or maybe even 100 affiliate networks. Digistore 24, there's MaxWeb. There's a link to MaxWeb in the description. There's a link to, this is one of my favorites, Super Affiliate Network right here. Six Figure Mentors, which is another affiliate network, which has training involved in it as well. And there's ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a really cool affiliate program because they will buy you a dream car. If you get 100 sales, if you earn 100 commissions with them, they'll actually buy you a car. They'll give you $1,000 towards a nice car like this Ferrari you see that Todd Lamb just brought. But the one we're gonna be focused on is ClickBank. So for the example of the method I'm gonna show you of how you can make $100 to $500 a day just blogging without even posting, I'm gonna use my own program as the example, okay? Let's go into the affiliate. So you'll have to sign up. And once you sign up, you'll go to the affiliate marketplace, which is right here. And then you will click, go down right here where it says e-business and marketing. And inside the e-business and marketing category, you'll see there's 421 products that you can promote right there. So we're gonna go down to my products, usually at the top, towards the top. And it's right here called the Super Affiliate System. And you'll earn about $500 when you get a sale of this product. So you'll just click promote. And then what I'll type in is Tumblr, okay? I'll click generate hop link, copy the link, or click this, link copied, paste our link in there. We're gonna click shorten, and then I'm gonna copy this link or click this button to copy it, boom. Now what I did, and what I like to do when I'm marketing, is I like to keep a little notepad up. So I just brought up, this is a standard program with Windows called Notepad, and I just posted in my ClickBank link right here, as you see, and I posted in my short link right here, just for handy reference, because we're going to be using this later on in the training, okay, to make money. Now, during this training, I'm going to be referencing this one document. It's called SAS Proven Message Swipes. And at the end of this training, I'm going to show you where you can access this, or I'm going to tell you where you can access this link in order to get the same templates that I'm using so that you can go out and copy and paste these things on your own. But I do suggest that you modify some of these scripts so you can learn more and you can test out your marketing skills. Beat my scripts so that you can be successful or more successful. So what I'll do is I'll click on Tumblr right here to go down to the Tumblr section, and we see an example of a number of Tumblr blogs we might want to follow. So we see this blog, which is 365 Marketing. We have Einstein Marketer. We have, and I'm just going to open up a lot of these blogs that are on Tumblr. Luxury, motivation, etc. Now, as you see, people have Tumblr blogs with all sorts of images in them. This one's about luxury stuff, you know, luxury places, luxury houses. My theory around this is that people interested in luxury stuff are going to be interested in making more money, because most people who have luxury items are not looking at luxury items, okay? It's just, usually it's people who are wanting, okay? People who don't have, but they want it, they look at this stuff as kind of like eye porn. And we're going to reach out to some of these people and we're going to offer them a good way to make extra money. And this is how you will make $500. So we're going to go in here and we're going to find people who are actually engaging with these or other followers of these blogs. Now, I'm promoting my own product in this example. And if you want to promote other products, you saw there's thousands and tens of thousands and hundreds of thousands of other products you can promote with those other affiliate networks that I joined. Now, you'll have to kind of dive into the psychology of the people you want to sell to. Let's say you want to sell a weight loss product. You have to dive into the psychology of what are people that are trying to lose weight. What are they interested in? For instance, with weight loss, they might be interested in fitness. They might be interested in recipes or eating healthy. So you have to start to get to know your market. And this is another reason it's good to talk to people. One thing you may not know about me is no matter where I go, I'm always talking to everybody. Even though I'm a multimillionaire, doesn't matter who I'm with or what situation I'm in. If I'm in a poor part of town, if I'm in, you know, I always sit in the front seat of Lyft. It's one of my favorite things. It's a kind of like a taxi company. I never sit in the back of the taxi. I always sit in the front because you meet people from all walks of life that are driving Lyft. And every time I go in a taxi, I order a taxi all the time, I basically interrogate each person I come across about their life, about what's going on in their life, about what their problems are, what solutions they're trying to find, how they're dealing with things, what they think about, you know, what issues they're going on, what's happening in the area. I want to know everything about them, because the more I understand people, the better I'm going to be as a marketer. And that's an important kind of psychological shift to have, is marketing is not about selling to people as much as it is about understanding what problems people are having and connecting them with a solution. And that's one of the reasons why I believe so strongly in what I do. You know, I teach people affiliate marketing with my training product, Super Affiliate System, and I'm helping people quit their jobs and become successful in life. And I mean, I've changed entire families around. It's really exciting. So whatever your motivation is, if you want to be a marketer, I suggest talk to a lot of people. You know, it's really worthwhile, and it'll help you be more empathetic and just learn more and be a better marketer. So now, to find the people that are interested in these luxury items, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to mouse over this heart icon right here, okay? So that's where you get the engaged people, and it says show or hide notes, okay? And you see the notes have popped out here. Now you can see all these people who have engaged with this post. You can click on these and you can go to their actual page, okay? So you see I'm on their page now, because every user on Tumblr has their own blog. So I'm gonna reach out to every one of these people, okay? There's only 12 people who have, or 11 people who have actually liked this post. And I'm going to use the control button. You know, you can right click and say open a new tab, but I'm going to use the control button. I'm just going to open up every one of these people. I'm going to send them a message because they're interested in luxury items, but maybe they don't have it, okay? and it's free to do so. And what's great about this method is also that Tumblr is sending the email for you, so you have assured deliverability. So next, when we're on the person's blog, and you see all of these people, they're all individual users with their own blogs, we're going to go up here, this icon right up here, and if you see this, it's way up in the corner. It's kind of hard to see, but you're going to click on that little icon. Sorry, so we just clicked send message, and now we can type in a message. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click over here, and I have a message template right here, okay? I'm going to copy and paste this, and I'm going to paste it here. And you'll see there's a few things in brackets that look a little bit out of place. I'm actually going to highlight this where it says insert interest, and I'm just going to say luxury stuff. I wonder if you're doing any online work that's making money for you. I watched this guy's training and it seems to work pretty well. Let me know your thoughts. It's a bit of a long training, but the good stuff is about 1 hour in. Now where these brackets are, you're going to want to replace this with your link. And we see right here, we have our link, boom, and we're going to paste this and we're going to send a message. Boom, we just sent a message. Now that we have our template, I mean, it took like how long to get into this? I don't know, but the point is, I try to explain this to you so that you can actually do this. And if you're going to take action on this and you're going to make some money doing this method, I'm going to show you more into this in just a second, but type in Tumblr money in the comments because we are making money doing this. This is so fast, this is so easy, it's such a great way to reach people, and you can do this over and over again. So look how fast I can do this now. We're gonna do message, superior luxury, boom, post, okay? Let's go to another one. You know, this person, click, message, boom, post. And we'll do this over and over and over again until more people see our links and until we actually start making some sales. Now remember, the reason why this works is because we're actually getting very targeted. We have a huge audience, you know, we have 371 million people we can reach, but we're getting very targeted. We're only looking for people who want luxury stuff or motivation. I put in some other topics in the file that I'm gonna give you in just a second here, but motivation, entrepreneurship, marketing, luxury stuff. These are very targeted segment of people that we're going after, and we're offering them a way to make extra money. And all of these people, if they're interested in those interests, they want to make extra money, and we're giving them a path. Now, if you're enjoying this and you want to see more ways you can actually do marketing, I suggest you check out my free playlist or free traffic method playlist. And I go over a number of other ways to actually make money online using free traffic methods. And remember, the more money you make, the more money I make. This is the number one make money channel on YouTube where the incentives are aligned. I'm not trying to make money from ads. I'm not trying to make money from selling you courses. I'm trying to make money with you. So let's work together. I want you to be successful. And if you get success, guys, shout it out. Let me know when you get sales because I love seeing that. And check this out. Check out some of the results that some of my students are getting from this. It's actually insane. Now here's a student of mine, Josh Morico, made $12,000 in a month, okay? So here he is, he pulled out some of the money, and I encourage all of my students in my program to pull out their money and show it's real. Here's another student of mine, Georgina, old woman from New Zealand. She's getting, look at this, like multiple times a day, $25, $25, $25, $25, $25, $25. She's getting money every single day coming in. We got, you know, lots of success here. $7,831 in a day, okay? We have Jan Vargas making $1,200 in an hour, and he pulled out the money to show his people. Gloria Cruz from Puerto Rico making tons of money. So we got a lot of success going on here. The methods work. You just have to put it into action. I mean, people, this is a really cool one. This is Asan from Bangladesh, made $8,000 per month. So he's making more than the average person in his country makes in 1 month. And this is a guy who started from nothing and he started doing affiliate marketing and he's making lots of money. So this is 100% possible. You can do this. You just need to put it into action. And if you want to get my resource file, what you'll do is you'll go to the link in the description of this video. The link is also johncristani.com/resource. And all you have to do is you have to click on, at the top, click on Tumblr, and I gave you some examples of blogs to follow. I gave you some examples of terms to find new blogs, and I give you the message template that you can use. And I suggest you modify it because, you know, the more you modify it and test, you know, and look at your links in ClickBank and see what's getting more clicks, because you could probably find a message that works better than me. I didn't test this message too much. I know it will work somewhat, but you might find something that works even better. And even better than that is get into a conversation with people and help them along to make a purchase from your link. Again, you make $500 just from sitting at the computer playing a little video game called affiliate marketing. I want to see some testimonials, boy. I want to see you post some success. When you guys get success, post in the comments. Again, I don't allow negativity, so don't try that. This can be done from any country, any age. There's a lot of networks you can do this. I can't wait to see you put this method to action, make some money, follow my channel, subscribe, notifications on, comments, likes, all of that stuff, because I want us all to make money together. See you soon. Subscribe, because you're going to see in the next videos, I'm going to be going over more free traffic methods to help you make money online. This is so unsaturated, people. This is so wide open. Just do it. Type in Tumblr money in the comments, and let's get it.